Okay, this video is to show you how to install the ti84 emulator on a Windows computer. So after you click on the link I send you, you'll be in this folder, Google folder, and there's one file in here. It's a zip file, which is a file which has 3 files inside of it. And so you will download it by doing right mouse button, download. Okay, and then it'll go to your downloads folder. Okay, and then you can just do show in folder and you'll see the zip file downloaded to your folder. And then you're going to copy this zip file to your desktop. And you can make a folder here. I usually call it ti84, but I already have a ti84 folder. So I'm just going to write ti84a. And then I'm going to open up by double clicking the zip folder and click on the folder inside of it, and there's 3 files in here, PLYSMLT2, I call it polysmlt2, ti84 PCSE ROM, and wabbit EMU. And you can just grab these 3 files and drag them, all 3 of them, to ti84a. And it'll put all 3 files in ti84a. And here they are, the 3 files are in there. And it's pretty easy to use these files now because you don't really have to install it, it's already there. First thing you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop the ROM file on top of wabbit EMU. So I drop it on top of wabbit EMU, and then it just opens up the calculator right in front of you. And this is a color version of the calculator, which I think is easier to do some operations. So you click on just like it's a real calculator, and then you can, press these numbers and do whatever calculator operations you want to. Okay? The only other thing you do is later in the semester we'll be working with polysmlt2, which is an app. To see what apps are on the calculator, you press apps. And you can see there's only the finance app. That's the only app that comes with the calculator. If you erase everything else, it's impossible to erase the finance app. We also use the finance app. And then you take the polysmlt2 file and you drag it into the screen, and then it'll automatically get installed on the calculator. If you press apps again, you can see now it has polysmlt2. So I can actually open up polysmlt2 by putting the cursor on top and pressing enter, and then it goes into polysmlt2. So now you see I have a working calculator on my computer screen. Takes a little bit longer to press buttons and stuff because you got to use your mouse to press the buttons. Some of the buttons work by pressing the buttons on your keyboard, but not all of them. So in the end, you're going to end up using the mouse button. So that's it. If you want to, you can erase the zip file now. You don't really need it. Whenever you're going to reopen this, just repeat everything over again. So you go to your ti84a folder, you open it, you drag the ROM on top of your wabbit EMU, and it opens up again, and then you press on to start working. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Bye.